Hi, welcome back to Mahiti Dunia YouTube channel, my dear friends. So, in this video, we are going to see a deep learning week 7 assignment 7 answers. So, first question, select the correct option about sparse autoencoder. Statement 1, sparse autoencoders introduce the information bottleneck by reducing number of nodes at hidden layers. Statement 2, the idea is to encourage the network to learn the encoding and decoding relies on activating small number of neurons. Here, out of this statement, the statement 1, that is, sparse autoencoders introduce the information bottleneck without reducing the number of nodes at the hidden layers. So, statement 1 is false. So, statement 2 is correct, which is activating the small number of neurons. So, the option is statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true. Second one, select the correct option about the denoising autoencoders. Statement A, the loss is between the original input and the reconstructed from the noisy version of the input. Statement B, denoising autoencoders can be used as a tool for feature extraction. So from these statements, both are true. Okay. Third, which of the following autoencoder method uses corrupted version of input? So the answer is denoising design. So the denoising design uses the corrupted version of the input, so that at the output it is going to get the uncorrupted version of the input. Similarly, we can observe the other three options. Overcomplete design means it consisting of more hidden units than the input units and not necessarily the uncorrupted input. So under complete design, fewer hidden units than the input units. It is also not necessarily the uncorrupted data. So sparse design, it uses the regularization techniques to encourage the network to learn the sparse representation of input data and not necessarily the corrupted data. Okay. Fourth question, which of the following autoencoder method uses a hidden layer with fewer units than input layer? For this, we got the answer here only. So over complete, under complete, sparse and denoising design, the correct answer is under complete design. So here under complete means it consisting of fewer hidden units compared to input units. So input units are more compared to hidden. Then fifth one, which of the following is false about the autoencoder? So four statements are given. Autoencoder possesses generalization capabilities. These are best suited for the imaging captioning task. Its objective is to minimize the reconstruction loss. Input is similar to input. Then it compresses the input into latent space representation and the reconstruction output from it. The correct answer is autoencoders are best suited for image captivating task. So this statement is false, hence here the correct answer. The other three are true with respect to the autoencoder. So the question number 6 is, find the value of delta function of t minus 34 convoluted with x of t plus 56. So delta being d of t is a delta function and this star is convolution operation. So the 4 option is given, which one is correct? So for this we should use the property of delta, that is d of t minus 2 convoluted with x of t is equals to x of t minus 2. So here from the given we can claim that 2 is 34 and here we can do this x of t minus 2. So x of t means t, here in this case t plus 56, 2 value is 34. So if I substitute, I am going to get t plus 22. So x of t plus 22 is the correct answer. Seventh one, impulse response is the output of dash system due to impulse input applied at time is equals to 0. So here this is the output of linear and time invariant system. Hence the answer is the D. Next, convolution of an input with system impulse function gives output of dash system. The answer is same, linear time invariant system. Then ninth one, so here one image is given that consisting of 72104, that is the original input in the row 1, and the second one is row 2 noisy input which consisting of some noisy 72104. Row 3 is reconstructed output, so it is somewhat like the original input. So to solve this means to get this method to get this output, reconstructed output, which of the autoencoder method is used? So that is called as denoising autoencoder. That is what the ninth question answer is. 10th one, for contractive autoencoders, which is true. First statement is given. Penalizing instances where small change in input lead to large change in encoding space. This is the correct option, so no need to read these three. The other is large change in input leads to small change. Small change in input leads to small change. No, penalizing instances where small change in input leads to large change in encoding space. This is the contract autoencoder correct answer. Okay, so this is about the week 7 assignment 7 with respect to the deep learning uh, question and answers discussed. So we are going to see the other assignments. So total 12 assignments will be there. We'll discuss all the assignments. Thank you. We'll see in the next video about the next update.